Charity is eating Daddy's amazing Easter cookies. Her and Tristan each had a beater of batter earlier. They gave their 5-star approval. They're good. They're good.
Can I grab that now?
Yes, that one that's right up front. Okay, now you go next to Charity so Mama can watch you too. How is it?
Good.
Really good, huh? Better than I expected. Charity, bite it. Sweetie, can you turn the light on, please?
Both?
No, yeah, sure. Thank you. Bite, Charity. See how Sissy's biting? Show Rena. Show Charity. Look at
Charity,
the.
look.
Show her the cookie. See, show her the middle of the cookie. Turn it so she can see. There you go. Good job, Charity. Show her the middle of your cookie. No, show her. There you go.
Look, Charity.
Ooh, see, you got a bite. Bite. Maybe if we broke it in half. Can you do that? Well, are your fingers clean? Hold the camera. Looking at Charity. There you go. Here, Mama, break it in half for you. There you go. I thought that might make you mad. All done? Don't want no more? It's still there, it's just in half.
Mom, it's flashing red on the
I
side.
know, that means it's recording. So what did you think of the cookie, Rena?
It was good.
That's the batter you were eating earlier, Charity. That's that stuff cooked.
Here, Mom.
You can have one of the other kind.
Yay, the jelly kind. Yummy, yum.
Is it good with the jelly too?
What do you do?
Man, those cookies are pretty good. Just goes to show, even when you've mastered cookies, there's still more amazing cookies out there. Charity's sleeping. You can tell by the completely dazed expression. That thing's good, even without the peanut butter cup in the middle, huh, Cher? No, you can't have more. You thirsty? You want your juice?
Thirsty.
Where's your juice? Rena, get my juice, please.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. Oh, there it is. Rena found it. Rena found it. You know, a great big part of me hopes that you don't want to finish that cookie.
Can I please have a drink of water?
Yes? Where's your lunchbox? Did you finish your juice?
I don't want one.
Go get your lunchbox, sir. There you go. Good job. Now I get the one with the peanut butter cup. Oh, yeah, dude. This thing's good. Oh. Oh, I didn't know. Oh, can I put it all in my mouth?
Oh.
Oh, wow. Yes. Bless you. Hi. Is that good? Here, you dropped a piece. Lilip said I have to stop it now that she really got to the good stuff. I'm sure it's really exciting for the world to watch our baby eat.